Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to fix damaged nail, how to make powder nails, how to make gel nails, how to achieve good retention of gel. I'll show you my favorite gels. So if you're interested, continue watching this video. So first of all, we will make shape for our nails. For this I use just regular nail file. I ordered it from AliExpress. It's like 100 to 180 I don't know what this, it's like just 180 points on nail file. I make shape for each of my nails. I love square nails because my fingers are pointed on their ends and my nails are pretty much long. So I make shape for each of my nails. I love short nails, just a little bit longer than nothing. Try to make even shape. Try to use not too new nail file for natural nails. You can even use glass nail file if you have this. Okay, the shape is done. So next I'll work with nail surface. For this I use nail file 180 points on nail file, just a little bit, especially near skin area of the nail. Do this very gently, but try to remove upper part of nail. So this is my damaged nail. I want to protect this nail and fix it. For this I use this gel. It's very good quality gel and powder. This nail gel, this base rubber gel, I bought from eBay, and powder from AliExpress. I use a UV LED lamp, and now I'm applying. You see how I apply my base gel. Try to avoid skin area. Apply not too much and not too less of gel, because a part of this gel can be in the skin. So after this we put in our nail with the fingers to our powder, and we will leave nail in the UV LED lamp for 100 seconds. Now we need to check. Sometimes I have problem and gel with powder come to skin area. For this situation I have nail file. I remove gel and powder from this area. Okay, our nail is square now, without any problem, without any damages. This is our beautiful nail. Now we will just apply base gel to each of our fingers. After 100 seconds, we can apply any of your favorite colors of gel. I love white. So applying and putting for 100 seconds. I usually do first hand and then the second. It's more comfortable for me. Okay. Now we can put the second layer to our hands. You see, it's more deep color now. Not too much clear, but not too much deep. This is top gel, Cody rubber top gel. I love each of them. It's very important to put this gel to the ends of the nail for better retention. You see how I work with ends, with tips of my nails. Okay, applying to UV LED lamp. I bought this lamp from AliExpress too. It's cost like, I don't know, maybe $20, maybe just a little more, but it's worth it. Okay, waiting 100 minutes and doing the same with a second hand. Base, color, and top. It's very simple, you just need to get used to it. You need to apply base very carefully to avoid skin area. Is the most important part of this application. It's very simple to apply. Color and top have to be very good on the ends of hands. After work, our nails will be not clear. We need to use something which consists alcohol to remove upper layer. Okay, now my nails are shiny. My damaged nail is absolutely good, very strong. I love this color, I love this shape. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, push fingers up, and see you on my next videos. Bye bye!